Why is Baloyi taking Section 205 from other cases?
And I'm bad like the Barbie. I'm a doll, but I still wanna party. Pink felt like I'm ready to bend. I'm a 10, so I pull a next 10. Like Daddy, Stacy, all of the Barbies is pretty. Damn, all of the Barbies is bad.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. If you're new here, my name is Nwazi Ndombela, also known as Gowazi Bear. On all social media platforms, do subscribe, be a part of this family, and if you're a returning subby, welcome back, darling. Now guys, I don't know what is going on with this case, but the state really just needs to stop it at this point. They need to stop it. Before I get into the proceedings, guys, I do have some information to share with you guys. There is a petition that is out for all of us who are unhappy with the way that this trial has been conducted. We're unhappy with the judge's behavior towards the defense and just how biased he is. So if you also agree with these sentiments, or you feel that you have seen this type of behavior, there is a petition. I will link in my description box down below, so be sure to check that out. Make sure you sign it, and don't forget, after signing the petition, check your emails and confirm that you have indeed signed the petition so that your signature counts. So to get into the proceedings of the 29th of April, we basically had a short day in court due to the fact that there were new documents that were given to the defense that the defense needed to consult their clients on, and they felt that it wasn't sufficient time to consult during the day on Monday to be able to proceed with cross-examination or the leading of evidence. And if you remember, we were focusing basically on the evidence of the cell phone records as well as the bank statements, and we were expecting Mr. Host to come back to court to be able to proceed with the cross-examination from Umumalo and Umshololo with regards to the communication of the 5 accused. And so basically on Monday we had a quick day in and out of court, basically to say that there's new info that's been received. They need consultation with their clients, and so therefore the case was postponed to Tuesday the 30th of April. On Tuesday they came back to court, and again the defense is adamant that this is not a fair trial, because some of the information that they did request is available, however some is still not available. Ngumalo putting it on record yet again that the information that he requested, mainly being the affidavit from Gininda, he has still not received with regards to the application that he did for the Section 205s. Now guys, it's interesting because this trial started quite a while back, and you would think that the state had all their ducks in a row to be able to prosecute in this trial, right? However, it seems that information is coming in bits and drabs, and the information is coming based off of the versions that are given by the defense. So basically they're trying to rebut the defense's version instead of literally leading their case as to why we are here in the first place and why these accused people are arrested. So on Tuesday, yet again, the case was postponed because the information that was available was not sufficient. It was there were some things that were missing, and when we adjourned, we were told by the state that this information would be made available on Tuesday so that the defense would be able to consult with their clients and be able to come back on Thursday and actually be able to continue with the cross-examination and have all the evidence with them. As we all know, the 1st of May was a holiday, so obviously there were no proceedings on the 1st. On the 2nd of May, which is today, it is a Thursday. We basically find out from the state that the information that the defense was waiting for was only sent to them yesterday at 11 o'clock at night. Now, the complaint that the defense is having is that they haven't had enough time to look at this evidence. In fact, most of them only saw this in the morning because it was sent at 11 p.m. last night. So basically the state just goes through all the exhibits, the new exhibits, and we find that Mr. Host now has an additional affidavit that he's added and the state will be submitting. And the defense basically is up, very angry. Mngomezulu says this is literally a trial by ambush. the state keeps bringing new information, and the defense keeps having to consult and keep having to look over new information. And there's something that I picked up that Mngomezulu actually mentioned as well, where he says that the Section 205s that he received, when he read it, it talked about something about taxi violence. Now, my thing is, why is Baloyi taking Section 205s from other cases? Because if the 205s were requested on CAS 636, it should have been on there that this is a Section 205 requested for a murder case in where we're trying to see the communication between these said people. However, it's showing taxi violence, kaufela, and I'm just like, Baloyi, where did you get these Section 205s from? Mshololo also versus her